watch me bring the fire, set the night light.
Hi, my name is Nur Iman Amira and I'm going to tell you one story about the tale of three castles. Once upon a time, there was a pretty young girl with her other 8 beautiful friends who dreamed to become a medical physicist. However, in order to become one, they need to learn from the masters from the 3 great castles. The first castle she went was nuclear medicine department. It consists of 3 parts, which is SPET City, PET City, and also cyclotron. So at nuclear medicine department, the girl and her other friends learn how to do the daily quality control for the machine, which is SPET City and PET City. They also visit the isolated ward, which is made for the patient iodine 131. It is isolated because they receive a very high dose of radioactive sources. There, they need to measure the dose rate at the isolated ward after the patient has discharged. They measure it using a accelerometer. They also do waste management and linear management. For waste management and linear management, they need to measure the dose rate and make sure it is less than 5 microsieverts per hour. They also do the daily quality control for dose calibrator. Besides, every Monday, they also do receiving for the radioactive iodine. They also visit the decay tank and they did a NEMA test for gamma probe. They also had the opportunity to visit the operation theatre to directly observe the sentinel lymph node biopsy. At PET City, they also did daily QC or daily quality control for PET City. They also do NEMA test for PET City well counter calibration. The masters also give them a project to study, which is about decontamination of iodine 131 using cornstarch. When they visit cyclotron, they also learn the principle of the cyclotron. Cyclotron consists of 2 discs with target at its center. When H+ bombard the target, it bends due to the magnetic field and accelerates due to electric field to the other disc. It accelerates in increasing radius and ejected out from the carbon foil. Carbon foil will eliminate H-, while H+ will interact with raw material, which is O18, and eventually produce F18, or we call it F18 FAG. She continued her journey to the next castle, which is radiology department. There, she managed to learn about a lot of modalities, which is MRI, angiography, CT scan, general X-ray, mobile X-ray, ultrasound, and also dental X-ray. They also learn about TSA, or technical specification adherence, and also TNC, tested and commissioning. These 2 are the most important steps in equipment planning process when installing a new machine in a hospital. They also learn about the instrumentation for dosimetry, and they learn about lead count tests and illuminator tests. They also do patient dose audit, which is they need to manually monitor the patient dose record. They also observe integration procedure of C-arm and ultrasound. Integration is important to deliver the information of the patient to the PACS system. They also learn about the shielding that can be obtained from the angiography room. So lastly, she entered the last castle, which is the radiotherapy department. Radiotherapy was divided into 3, which is brachytherapy, treatment planning system, or we call it as TPS, and quality assurance. There, they also learn how to do the daily QC for brachytherapy every morning before the patient started the treatment. Brachytherapy was divided into 2, which is low dose rate and high dose rate. IKN is mostly about high dose rate procedure, which is using the cobalt-60 sources. Not just that, they also learn about how to do the treatment planning system for brachytherapy, which consists of 2D perovoid, 2D Dobis, 2D full planning and 3D full planning. They also managed to observe directly the procedure during the insertion of the applicator at the operation theatre in brachytherapy. Treatment planning system consists of a few software, which is Monaco, Zayo, iPlan, Eclipse, and also Tomo. There are two types of technique during the treatment planning, which is inverse planning and forward planning. Inverse planning is used for the IMRT cases, while forward planning is used for 3D CRT cases. For the QA in radiotherapy, there are two types of QA, which is QA for patient and QA for machines. QA patient consists of two parts, which is point dose and fluent dose. Point dose use Schiss phantom or solid water phantom to measure the point dose, while to measure the fluent dose, they need to use the Octavius phantom, which has a smile face. They also managed to observe and learn about QA machine in Linac and Novalis. There are two types of tests during QA machine, which is mechanical checks and image quality. All of them feel very happy and full of serotonin that they managed and capable to learn these knowledges. The end. Thank you for watching.